On the farm the cows go moo, eating grass they're happy too, beneath the sky so bright and blue. Chickens cluck and flap around, pecking grains upon the ground. Listen to their lively sound. Pigs roll in the mud all day, oinking as they splash and play. In the sunshine they love to stay. Oink, oink. Horses gallop fast and free, neighing loud in fields with glee. What a lovely sight to see. Neigh, neigh. Ducks are splashing in the pond, quacking softly all day long. In the water they belong. Quack, quack. Sheep are grazing on the hill, their woolly coats keep them still, baaing softly, never shrill. Baa, baa. Goats are jumping high with pride, bleating as they climb the side, always searching far and wide. Bleat, bleat. Dogs are herding in the field, barking loud their love revealed, loyal friends who never yield. Woof, woof. Cats are napping in the hay, purring softly as they lay, dreaming of a sunny day. Purr, purr. Donkeys bray with all their might, hee-hawing both day and night, strong and sturdy, full of fight. Hee-haw, hee-haw.
Don't forget.